Lastly, our
Virtue.
snow. This word endemic in Sierra Archipelago of Eastern Indonesia. Word also known as salmon crested lemon because of pinkish white colored feather. In general, Kakadu raise their crafts by communicating or good, whether threatened, happy, or mating. These birds are very loud. They can mimic any sound. If you ask me, this bird can talk. Yes, sila ang bird na maka-istorya. So, Queenie and Angel can live up to 40 to 50 years old. While Snow can live up to 60 to 70 years old.
I-focus, mapapocus pa namin.
Snow, Queenie, and Angel.
Virtue.
So who here's love math? And what? So do you think birds can do math? Yes? No? So today you baffled and amazed even us later. So give me two numbers between 1 to 20. So give me first number. Okay. Second number. 15.
Shanjito.
So our question is 10 plus 15. Before we calling our math wizard, I will shuffle this number first. So the number has been shuffled. Let's call it our math wizard Snow. Again, Snow is our European candidate. So, ang hanggang sa nato si trainer o si Snow na mag-study. So, Snow's ready. So first, give me first number. Snow brought number 2. So first number correct. Hindi sure ako ba? The first number correct. Snow correct daw. Finish your answer. So 10 plus 15 is 25. A round of applause for mathematicians. Snow. So this time we introduce you are different from the color we borrowed earlier. They are called birds of prey or raptors, meaning to seize or take by force. They have only 446 in Tagalog, but here in Ocean Park we have two. First is our Brahmin Kingdom and a Philippine serpent eagle Freddy. I am requesting everyone to settle down and no one will look around. Again, I want everyone to settle down and no one will look around, especially kids. And the birds will fly over. Please do not try to catch them. And lastly, please vacate the center square. sa likod sa sides at the center stairs, move to the side. Who's seated in the center stairs, move to the side. First is our Brahmin guide, Kinda. Also known as Elastus indus. This bird can be found in Southeast Asia, Australia, and India. It's also known as the sea eagle.
Wala na. Ayos na. Falcon. Philippine Falcon.
Abang tayo naman walang pag-uusik lang because of the kusog yun ang hangin.
Wala na. Layas na. Philippine Falcon.
Parang sa Sikkim lang, guys.
Wala na.
So next is our two-pin serpent eagle ready.
Wala na. Hindi na babalik yan. Wala na. Hindi na babalik yan Philippine Eagle. Wala na.
Ready and a Philippine eagle. Philippine eagle are 3 times larger than Freddy.
Philippine Eagle seem like a falcon. Falcon in Saudi Arabia.
Ready your camera. Ready your flag. So that is it. Our Philippine serpent eagle ready.
Wala na yung isa. Ayan, nasa taas.
We are using glove to protect us for the large claw and beak. Both Freddy and Kingdom are donated by the DVR, so we are rescued birds. We will take them during ECQ period. So lastly, look to your left as the Korean, our homing pigeon. So guys, wait lang na to and ito yung akong homing pigeon. Pakita ninyo sa upper right corner. So that's it, our homing pigeon. Homing pigeon has a relative called back home, find their partner, and nest. They're called magnetic. Okay, they're magnetic to find direction, altitude, and location. Sa kasa pa na sila ulipat, mabalik ka na sila. So that is it, our homing pigeon and raptor.
Pauli na sila, pauli.
So here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe in hope. We welcome our friends in the land, water, and air. So who knows the PRs in proper waste disposal to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Now let's call again our lovely bird to show us how to proper waste disposal. Sadly, a lot of animals are struggled today because of proper waste disposal and pollution. So please keep in mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. So Bandit can do it, so can we. Before our end our show, I invite everyone to come down stage and take a picture for a lovely bird. Again, pwede mo maaaring sa stage, kami magkakot sa bird picture mo. But picture and take our official photographer right over there. So that's it. Our acknowledge on birds and trainers to show possible today. With Trainer Larry up there as a DJ, Trainer Vince behind it, and Trainer Nick with our super trusted Kevin Quitty. So I am Jesse.
May asaw na yung
Your rules
video.
for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye everyone. So, kasi ginagawa rin siya, yung sa stage, mag-9 mo dali sa right corner.
Wala na. May kalapati. Guys, watching bird shoe.